Hey folks, Green Stuff Gav here. This week we're going to do a bit of an unboxing, a review, and hopefully some painting. I recently painted up a Cado for Age of Sigmar, but I converted mine to be a Witch Hunter to go with the Von Dents. So what I thought I'd do is pick up those lovely new Witch Hunters for Warhammer Underworlds, which I've done. I picked these up from Mirfield Miniatures, who I'll link down below. Really good service, and Mark there's really sort of, they do a lot of second-hand stuff, but you might have seen them on other YouTube videos. Yeah, so I thought we'd have a look at the miniatures here and paint them up and get a nice little Witch Hunter band together. So I've shifted all my Warhammer Underworlds stuff on because I just didn't really play it and wasn't having fun. So, pretty typical format of the Underworlds. They come in a box, they got all the cards. I'm not going to open them up because I really don't care. This is the bit everyone's interested in. So what we got here? 2 doggos. Go with the axe. Like very the details match up very closely. If we look at, say, the tabard there, see it's very similar. Another doggo. Could do with some more hats. Might have to do something about hats. But we are going to have to open the cards because the instructions are in there. So, not that I normally follow instructions, but it's nice to see what we are doing. He says. Hexbane's Hunters. Straight to instructions. Quite straightforward. Hexbane himself. Yeah, I might have to get some hats for these three. Just to... Mind you, not everyone's got hats, so yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Hexbane himself. Before we do that, I'm going to change the bases, I think. It's a shame all this crap. No, I think we'll go stock bases. Right, so let's get a pair of clippers. Start with a boss man. Check I got the right base. Yeah, base 6. So it's really important to be careful when clipping, especially with the Underworlds miniatures, because they've got such fine detail that you don't often yeah, it's very easy just to clip the wrong bit. So here, where they're all push fit, some of these miniatures break down very unusually. So yeah, that's a full assembly. That's not too bad. Obviously we missed the peg there, but I love how they've all got lots of little details, like you can see the hammers with the stakes. It's quite a cool little touch. Vampire hunting. Now some people might want to use these for more time, so I've had a dig and I found out some square bases. So they will just about go on the square bases. He says, can't get that one off. So they will kind of go on a square base for those that play more time. You have to run some glue in this one to keep that together. That's not a great fit. Yeah, so they will go. The Von Dents also will just about go on 20mm squares, for those that are interested in more time. Now I'm currently waiting for some spray paint to arrive, so we're gonna give these a spray, come back, and I'll go through how I paint them.